Guys, I'm just coming back from up Goblin Hill, a different area up here, guys. I just come just walking a little. It's a long time I don't come up here, and everything remain the same. See breadfruit and tree there, guys, but them young and nice hibiscus flowers, orchid tree, lovely house, guest house as well. And flowers are pretty though. Just strolling as usual, guys. It's nice to have a walk out, kind of releases stress. You understand? You hear the birds singing. You see lovely flowers by the roadside. This is fresh cut. Fresh cut. Yeah. Keep your mind steady, guys. And whoever reason with themselves. Sometimes when you hear people are talk, they say, Lord, you get mad now, you talk to yourself. But it's good sometimes to reason with yourself, ask yourself questions, answer them as well. This is a different type of shoe black flowers. This one have a different design on it. You see it? Pretty, man. Yeah, man, pretty. Pretty. Wow. Oh, luscious greenery around, guys. In the ears. In the ears, guys. I rather be on a hilltop. I mean, don't know what song go, you know. Hey, it's a one pear tree, pear sucker. Me that mash it, me dig it out and carry go plant a yard. Nice, cool area, man. Pretty along the roadside. Lovely greenery, man. Lovely flowers. Yeah. Yeah, man. Bless up on yourself, guys. Bless up, bless up, bless up. So now come out a little. Yeah, I'm grow back now, no. Can't see the vine ain't growing up. Yes, guys, just look with me, man. Walk along with me. Lovely palm trees used as decoration. And pretty, man. Wow. Pretty blue and white skies. No rain not falling now. Whole heap of breadfruit up on a tree there. Wow, look on jelly. And if nobody there, me can beg one jelly. I have to go look if me see the property. What take care of it. I don't see nobody up there. Pan jelly, man. Wow, yellow jelly. I don't know if you can see through the bushes here, guys. Let me go this side. Oh, yes, see it there? I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, man, you see it a little bit. Don't you see it? Full of jelly. Yellow jelly. Them jelly, they're sweet, the yellow one. Wow. Wow. Country life sweet, man. Mango tree. This is a young mango kind of start to blossom. And banana. We can't hungry a country, man. See, banana is soon full. See there? You can't hungry a country, man. See there, jelly, breadfruit. Wow. We are right, man. We only want health and strength. And work and get a little 1 cent. Yeah, man. Them jelly tree are green and freshy. Wow, look, what's there? Wow. Another breadfruit tree there. What? Wow! Hope you some fruit fully, man. Look, Angeli. Woo! Wow! Nice. This is a wild cocoa. But it's nice. You see, when I put this in a pot, in a big pot, and pot it up and put dirt around it, make it look like a flowers. It look nice, you know, when you cherish it. Put plant food around it. Water it every other day. Your friend will say it look pretty. Yeah. And pretty when they put in a vase, man. Cocoa plant. Or we call it wild cocoa. See there? Pretty along the roadside. Alright. Guys, this is where I am coming from. All the way up the top there, so. Yeah, that's where I am walking from. Yes. Come again now, guys. May I go again. Next level. Next level. So guys, please remember to like, watch, share, comment, subscribe to the amazing M&G channel. Before I go, you know, I always love to leave my Bible verse with you that says, "For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believeth in him should not perish, but have everlasting life." I love you so much, guys. Have a great day now. And to everyone all around the world, bless up on yourself. I love you. To all my supporters, everyone, bless up on yourself. Love you all, guys. Love you, love you, love you lots. Bye, everyone. One love.